Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ETF.com for ETF news and alerts step by step clearly. Visit the ETF.com website. You will be directed to a subscription page. Here, you will find different subscription options. Select the option that best suits your needs. Fill in the required fields for your account. Input your email address. Create a password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Provide any additional requested information. Read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Click on the Submit or Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Once activated, return to the ETF.com website. Log in using your email address and password. Navigate back to your profile settings. Here, you can set your preferences for news and alerts. Choose the types of ETF news you wish to receive. Select your preferred notification frequency. Save your settings to ensure you receive updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.